There are really three ways to make money with YouTube. One of them is the YouTube partnership program. That's where you will get paid a percentage of the advertising revenue they generate from your YouTube videos you display. To be able to qualify for that, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, which will take some time to build up, and 4,000 hours of people watching videos. So it requires a fair bit of success. Now you can get there in a matter of a few months if you apply yourself and you're working in an area that's got a lot of demand and you pick good names and you use great keywords and stuff like that. But it does take some time to get there. And when you do get there, you end up getting paid on average about $2 per 1,000 views. Now, if your videos are getting 200,000 views, you're making $400. That's where the guys that do the cooking channels and the channels where you see tons and tons of volume on them are doing really very well, making money just off of their advertising. And especially when some of these videos are popping up to 300,000 and 400,000 views, if they're making $2 per 1,000, that's $600 on a video. Now, mind you, there are certain topics, certain keywords, certain niches where the payout is a lot higher, but you get paid by 1,000 views. So you got to have a fair bit of traction and ability to attract people and get comments, stuff like that, in order to even build a YouTube channel. There's a ton of YouTube channels out there that you can watch to learn how to build things, and I'll, as time goes, I'll point them out to you so you can follow those channels, because there's some great contact information and some great techniques that are being taught. The other way to make money with YouTube ads is to do affiliate marketing, which is primarily what we promote with YouTube CB. That's basically where you talk about a product. Either you are using that product while you're sitting there. Maybe it's a something simple, tangible product like this, which is a drink holder, something like that. Or in what you see a lot of are these cooking channels where they're cooking food and steaks and stuff like that, and you can see them cutting the steak, and they recommend those knives and the links in the description below. And obviously they're affiliate links, so that person can make some decent money doing it. The problem with that is again, Amazon links and stuff like that are typically very low commissions. But what you'll see is guys are doing branded products too. Like there's one barbecue channel that I watch a lot because I live in Texas, so barbecue's a big thing. And they have a whole line of barbecue pits they sell. And they're cooking their food on the barbecue, and it's a bunch of good old boys. And they've got 1 million subscribers, and they're selling $1,300 barbecues to people and selling a bunch of them. So it's really a much different way of doing things, but you can sell your own products that way, or you can sell affiliate products that way. And the final way is to sell, is to offer what we call sponsorships. That's where somebody says, I'll pay you $500 to hold my object in the middle of your YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by Coffee Cup Limited or whatever, and they're getting paid a flat rate usually, or so much per 1,000 views of their product placements inside the videos. When I was talking about the affiliate links earlier, that's where we focus on, is talking about products that are information-related products where you can get 50 to 75% commission rate, much better. So diet and weight loss is a big niche. Business opportunity niche is a big niche. E-business is a big niche. Cookbooks, all sorts of books, stuff like that are great niches that you can promote. Get paid very good affiliate commissions through ClickBank. So YouTube CB really teaches people how to do that. But there are 3 primary ways to make money with YouTube, and you should study all of them and pick which one you want to do. YouTube CB is an excellent program for teaching you how to go about promoting ClickBank that way.